Giardiasis, also called as grand old angry man of microbiology. This is only for remembrance purpose for mnemonic stuffs. General information: they are flagellated protozoan parasites. Causative organism is Giardia lamblia. Morphology: they have two forms, trophozoites and cyst. The trophozoite structures are being remembered by 4 points. That is, they have two nuclei which have been owl shape. Two nuclei owl shape. Have 4 pair of flagella. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 pair of flagella, that are 8 flagellas. They show falling leaf motility and have suckling disc. Cyst is infective form having 1 to 4 nuclei. Flagella not come outside, that is axostyle. It is most common parasitic infection in the world and most common parasite found in stools. Habitat: duodenum. The grand old man, the D, which shows duodenum for remembrance purpose. The infective dose is very low. As you know, there are 5 organisms with very low infective dose, which can be remembered by the mnemonic Chota small, in which C. Cyclosporidium, Helicobacter pylori, Enterohemorrhagic E. coli, Shigella, lamblia, Giardia lamblia. Life cycle: mode of infection is fecal-oral route. Life cycle: ingestion of the cyst, excistation or formation of trophozoites, that is feeding and motility form, undergoes asexual replication. Only about 1/3 of the infected people get symptoms. Both cyst and trophozoites found in feces, but only cyst survives in even cold water for months. Again, this cycle continues. Pathogenesis: it attaches to the duodenum by suckling disc and lectin antigen. Very important. For duodenum, it causes blanching of villi. See, blanching of villi, which eventually decrease the absorption of various substances, like decreased iron absorption cause iron deficiency anemia, causes disaccharidase enzyme deficiency, causes B12 folate deficiency because of decreased absorption, causes decreased fat absorption. These are the classical signs of malabsorption. And decreased fat absorption, fat eventually goes out into the stools, causing steatorrhea. Lab diagnosis: sample, stool or duodenal contents. If stool is been collected, in microscopy trophozoites are been seen. In duodenal contents, string test is been done. That is, a capsule is inserted into the duodenum through the mouth opening and duodenal contents are being collected. Through microscopy, trophozoites have been found. If both the method fails, then duodenal biopsy is been done, in which the grand old man turns into a falling man, a Girtawa man, in which it are found as sickle-celled organism, that is sickle-shaped organism falling into the lumen. Most important. And the gold standard method is PCR. The treatment is metronidazole, which nowadays causing resistance because of longer doses, and tinidazole for 1 day.